how to add payment methods on Remitly. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can add payment method on Remitly. The first step is to sign into your Remitly account, where you can see tabs such as send money, transfer history, reference. Then move to the right side and click on the welcome address. After doing that, in the box displayed, you should select settings. Okay, so after selecting settings, you'll be taken to the settings page where you would see options like profile information, notifications, recipients, payment methods, your privacy choices, legal resources. So just scroll down and then go ahead and select payment methods. So after selecting payment methods, you can see add new payment methods, click on it, and then select the kind of method you want to add. Is it card or bank account? If it's card, you'll be asked to enter in the card number, expiration date, security code, etc. And then if it's the bank account, you'll be asked to select if it's checking or savings, fill it up the process, move to the right to the lower right side, click on save, and just like that, the account will be saved. Okay, so this is how you can add payment methods on Remitly. Thanks for watching and have a good day.